Happy birthday, Lola Ellen. Happy birthday, Tita Ellen. May you be blessed with good health, happiness, and more years to celebrate with your family. We miss you and we love you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Moon river, wider than a mile, I'm crossing you in style someday. Oh, dream maker, you heartbreaker, wherever you're going, I'm going your way. Happy birthday, Tita Ellen. God bless you always. Love you. This is Jane.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Tita Ellen.
Happy birthday!
We love you.
And enjoy your birthday!
Play.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, kumari ko. All the best for you. Buti ka pa, 75 na. Ako, 67 pa lang. Hindi pa sure kung aabot ako ng 68. I love you, Mare. Since day one na nagkakilala tayo, hanggang sa ako ay umalis, lagi ka nasa puso ko. Love you. Stay safe always. Good luck.
Hi, Tita. Happy 75th birthday. You do not look your age at all. You are one of the most glamorous Lolas I know. But I am hoping and wishing that you will have a continuous, healthy, happy life with your family. And I also thank you for all the lovely little messages that you send us, all those spiritual quotes and gifts that you send us. Do help us when we feel a little bit down. You are so sweet, you are so kind, and you deserve all the happiness in the world. And I am wishing that the Lord will provide you all the blessings and wonderful days ahead of you, praying for a much longer life. So here's to you, here's to all your accomplishments and to your success. I love you and hope to see you soon. Enjoy your celebrations. Bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to Ellen. Happy 75th birthday. More blessings for you. Good health, happy life. Enjoy your birthday. I miss you. God bless. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ate. Wishing you all the best. Nandito ako sa pyesa ko lang. Nakasanin. 5 years old ka na. Wish magkita tayo. Jane, love you.
Can't take my eyes off of you. You've
birthday, Lola!
Hi, hello. Hello, Ellen. We just want to greet you. Your 75th birthday. And I hope you enjoy your special day. We are now in Boracay with this amazing view with, of course, Donna. Donna, happy birthday, ate. That's all? Sunset. Yeah, it's sunset view. Sunset. Look at the sunset there. Yes. Oh, look at the sunset. There. Nice. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
In behalf of Ken and Prime
Yes.
and the Boracay Beach Club,
Yes.
Casa Mescaleria, we want to greet you a very happy birthday.
Happy 75th birthday.
Ate.
Let's sing to her. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yan. Happy birthday! Pababa na yung araw. Pababa. Happy birthday, sis. Yeah, wishing you all of life's best things in the world. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best, all the abundant blessings. May God still flourish you with all the blessing and the happiness and the joy and most especially good health. Happy birthday. Yes, happy birthday, Ellen. We love you and we missed you here.
Ready, go.
Happy birthday, Ellen. Happy birthday.
Pagka nainom mo po, sunod-sunod na. Wala na. Alright.
Go.
Hi, Tita Ellen. It's me, Carlo. Happy birthday.
Yes. Joey.
Happy birthday, Ate Helen.
Yes. Okay. And
Happy birthday, Tita Ellen. Miss you and love you.
yes.
Happy birthday po.
Yeah. Rafa.
Hi.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday who?
I don't know.
Happy birthday.
I was not listening.
Happy birthday, Tita Ellen.
Lola
Happy
Ellen.
birthday, Tita Ellen.
Okay. Nagka Marco.
Tita, happy birthday.
Yeah, we're on the... Okay. Benedict. Asa si Benedict?
Happy birthday, Mare. Good health and happiness. More birthday to come. Enjoy your special day, Mariko. God bless us all. Happy birthday again, Mariko. Happy birthday, Mare.
Happy birthday, Mamu. I love you.
Happy birthday po, Tita. Wishing you good health and happiness. We love you.
I love you.
Happy birthday, Mamu. Happy birthday, Mamu. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mamu. Happy birthday, Mamu. Love and miss you, Mamu. Happy birthday, Ate. Love and miss you. Love you. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Ellen. More birthdays to come. God bless you. Love you always. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Love you.
Hello. Hi, Ate Ellen. Happy birthday.
Hola.
May all your birthday wishes come true, and hugs to, I know all your kids are in Chicago right now, so hugs to them and your grandkids, and enjoy your party.
Happy birthday, Ate Ellen.
Happy birthday. Sing ka rin, sing. Happy birthday.
To you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Bakit mo ko kinukunan?
Po, Tita Ellen. Happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo lagi. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ellen!
Happy birthday, Tita Ellen! Birthday, Tita! Birthday! Happy birthday!
Birthday, Don.
Happy birthday, Tita! Happy birthday! Ingat kayo dyan, Tita Ellen!
Ingat po. Love you. Love you, ha? O, dahil kanta ka na.
Happy.
Happy. Happy.
Happy.
Happy.
Happy 75th.
Birthday to you. Love you.